We divided earth, we divided oceans, now don't divide humans. I remember this poem from my Hindi textbook in 8th standard. The division I'm going to talk about today is not the division we learned in our maths class. Instead, it's the division that has been made by humans physically and moreover mentally. And it's a tool still in use and has all the potential to destroy everything. Thinking about a united world where there is only peace and harmony sounds like a dream. Well, yes, it is. Since we were born, we have seen society dividing stuffs, and we are glad that society is not too harsh about it. Take the word division literally, otherwise there would be nothing left. If we see in the past, there was never an ideal world to which we can look up to. Even if a world like that existed, definitely there was nothing to document it. So what do I mean by an ideal world or a world with no division/boundaries? Well, honestly speaking, I want to travel the whole world without paying for visas, meeting new people all over the world who don't judge me on the basis of my religion, nationality, color, clothes, gender. And I can stay wherever I want to stay, however long I want to stay, doing work there or even starting my own business or family, where everyone loves each other, everyone respects and have compassion for each other. A world where we know we all are one and same and made of the same elements and sharing the same resources. Well, now you can say he's gone crazy, but deep down you all want to agree with me. I know it's not possible physically, but if you see closely, the whole concept of division is made up in our heads. And it is really tough to change our opinions now, I know. But I see division in two ways. Either there is a purpose behind it or it's someone's intentions. We have examples of both and not many of you would be seeing it clearly. So let me give you one small example. Lands of the world divided into countries. Of course. Purpose. Okay, people used to fight for it, they used to kill for land, but one country is superior to others. That's a total BS. Now you know how to see things clearly, so go ahead and clear your mind for yourself, because it's all in our minds, created by few people. Trust me, it's not the physical aspects of division that affects us, it's the mental division. Do you want me to give some more examples? Right wing, left wing, religions, rich versus poor, black versus white, Asians, north versus south, east versus west, hetero and homo, etc. Most of the divisions are made for better understanding or categorizing things, but the human mind does not work like that and end up creating their own perceptions towards it, and this gives the power to spread hatred towards the other. And those thoughts turn into action, which is bad, and we have seen the results in the past and still seeing it till the date.
Deadly shooting spree in Georgia. We just heard numerous gunshots. Authorities have not ruled out.
Solution. The times are tough. While so much is going around us, hence the only practical way to make a difference is knowing and realizing that nothing is mine or yours. We all are living the same existence, and the fact remains that everything is just a manifestation of it. It's better not to get attached to anything and love everyone, respect everyone, and have compassion for everyone. And in this way, I believe you can also see a united world.